Hello guys, welcome back to our video. So in today's video I am going to show you how to unlock the bootloader of our Moto G5s Plus. So this is a little bit old device, but it has a lot of customizations and custom ROM so that you can use, and there is official Lineage OS support for this device, and RR ROM and some other ROM also supported for this device, and you will receive regular updates in Pixel Experience ROM without any issue or any error. And there is a little bit touch screen issue with my device, so I have already told you in my previous video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to unlock the bootloader of this device. To unlock the bootloader, your device should have an active internet connection, and you need to open settings, and you have to scroll down, you have to go to system, and you have to go to about phone section. So here you will find this about phone section, and click on build number until it shows your developer. So here it showed me as a developer. So come back inside system, you will find a developer option settings. So you need to enable that inside that a developer option OEM unlocking and USB debugging. So it says something like device warning, device protection warning. So just click on enable. So perform this action at your own risk. I am not responsible if any damage causes to your device, and I will provide the custom recovery for this device link in description, so you can download it from there. So just in today's video I am going to show you how to unlock this device bootloader and how to install the custom recovery. Once you do these two things, just keep your device aside and just come to our PC screen. So you need to take your device in recovery mode. So for that you have to shut down your device first. After going to recovery mode, I will show you remaining process in my laptop screen. So here my laptop is, you can see. So you have to use USB cable so that your device can be connected through PC without any issue or any error. I recommend you to use original USB cable. In case if you don't have any USB cable, then you can use normal one. So you have to hold these two buttons. It will show something. So it says battery, okay. It will show charging, like if you connect it with PC. So as you can see, transfer mode USB connected, and it will also show you somewhere like OEM status also. So I will take you directly to my PC screen. I will show you how to unlock the bootloader of this device. So I have connected my device into PC, so I will take you directly there. So guys, one more thing I want to tell with you people is you have to back up all of your personal data. So because doing this process will wipe all of your data, so there may noise in background, extremely sorry for that. So here it says that OEM is locked and battery is okay charging. So here also you can see transfer mode USB connected, okay charging. It means your device is successfully connected with your PC. So I will show you all of the process in my laptop, and I will also type all of this process in my description also. So if you face any issues in videos, then you can read it and you can do it. So I will explain you briefly. So if you can't understand, then you can follow description below. Unlock the bootloader, your device, your PC should have an active internet connection, and you have to install ADB drivers. So almost in everyone's PC there will be ADB drivers. So after doing all of these things, just connect your PC through internet. Then after open command prompt and type the command fastboot space devices. So then after typing the command, you will find this settings, and then you have to open the link. I will provide this link. So it will show you like unlock the bootloader, etc, etc. You can use it, read this, and in my case I am skipping it. So you have to click on next button. So it will show you something like here, download the bootloader, etc, etc. So in next step you have to type this command in your command prompt, fastboot space get OEM, fastboot OEM get underscore unlock underscore data. So let me type this command. So guys, this is the official method. There is no any unofficial method for this device. So for every Moto device you will find this only OEM get unlock underscore data. have to type this command and then you will find these things. So you have to copy all of these things from here, and here as you can see it will show you like this. Here also you can read these things. So you have to copy all of these codes like from here. You have to copy all of these things from here to last message. So from 3A657, so by clicking Ctrl+C you will copy all of these things. So you have to open your second link from description, I will provide there, and you have to paste it from here. So as you can see I have pasted here, and then you have to click on the format data option. So after pasting those logs, then it will show you all of these words. So just copy it by pressing Ctrl+C, then open the second link here and you have to paste it here like can my device be unlocked. So just clicking on my Ctrl+V, it will show you like that. So it is verifying eligibility and it will say whether my device can be unlocked or not. So for every Motorola device the process will be same. So as you can see it will say like this. So legal warning etc etc. So you have to agree and you have to click on request unlock key. So it will say like it will void your warranty, so just click on OK button and it will send you some digit code in your email box. So let us check my email box. So I will show you my email, what it will be shown here. So guys, as you can see this is my email ID and they have sent me some unique code. So I have to copy this code and I have to type a command. So I will take you to my PC screen and I will show you the next process. Again we have to type the command fastboot space devices, so our confirmation. So now we have to type the command fastboot OEM unlock. So this command will be same for every devices, but in Moto you have to type some key. So let me type the command fastboot space OEM space unlock and you have to paste the 20 digits unique key. So let me paste my key. So guys, as you can see I have typed my key, so there may noise in background, extremely sorry for that. So as you can see this is my 20 digits unique key, and after typing this key just you have to press the enter button. So it will show you this dialog. So you have to copy this command again, Ctrl+C, then you have to press right click of your mouse, then like this it will show you like this fastboot rebooting phone. So I will take you directly to my phone screen guys. So guys, as you can see it will show my bootloader status like flashing unlocked. So it means bootloader is unlocked and still my device is connected to through PC. So let me reboot my device to system. So I will type a command. So once again I will take you to my PC screen. So my device is still connected as you can see. So guys, you have to type the command fastboot space reboot. So let me type the command fastboot space reboot. So it will reboot your device. So as you can see it is rebooting my device and I will take you directly to my device setup screen. So guys, after typing that command it will show like this. So it will also show you like this timing, your device will boot in 8 seconds. So I skipped that command, so that's why I am showing you again. So there may noise in background, extremely sorry for that. So you have to complete your device setup from starting because your data will be wiped. So this system is there from Android 8.0. If you are unlocking any device bootloader from Android 8.0, then your data will be wiped completely. It means your data will be formatted, so you have to take backup. So guys, you have to install custom recovery after unlocking bootloader. So in today's video I can't show you because this video is already big. So tomorrow I will make a video regarding how to install recovery. So I will make video on pitch black recovery. If there is any pitch black recovery, then I will make on that. otherwise I will make video on TWRP recovery. So thanks for watching the video guys.